This is Ben the EV guy, along with an exclusive collaboration with MModified.
What's up, everyone? This is MModified with a 60-second products review. That's right, plural today. We have the gloss ABS appearance mirror cap overlay and the matte carbon fiber ABS appearance rain guard. It doesn't guard any rain. It's purely aesthetic. Both uses 3M tape. The rain guard slides into this little channel. The rain cap slides over the existing cap and 3M tape down, so there will be an indentation. But from afar, you wouldn't be able to tell. The fitment is actually pretty good. The interior of this cap looks like this. So here's the weave again. Personally, for me, I'm not a carbon fiber person, so I am not a fan, but the appearance does look good, and I know there's a market out there for it. And as you probably can imagine, I will most likely gift these out. Happy holidays!